Hello.
Please greet our friends
Hi,
naman.
friends.
Hi, Papa Beach.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Papa Beach. Hi,
Good afternoon.
Hi.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon, Kuya. Happy anniversary po. Bakit?
Naku, ayan.
Happy anniversary po.
Nakaka-intimidate eh, medyo...
Bakit hindi ka na nakapagsalita dyan?
Hindi kasi iniidolo ko yan, syempre, Piolo Pascual.
Wow.
Hindi nga.
Tatakbo yan sa Berlin. Di ba, Papa Peach, tatakbo ka ng Berlin na marathon, tama ba?
Agad-agad.
Ito si Robin rin, tatakbo.
Tatakbo, dito lang sa...
Dito sa PBB. Mula dito papuntang PBB house. Doon ang
Yes.
mo niya. Okay, now, we actually would like to begin with the questions.
Is
Would you
discipline
like to-
and humility. This is where you realize that you're not alone, you're not isolated. More than having brothers and sisters, you have a family, you have a mom, you have a dad, and you have handlers, RMs who look after you and take care of you through thick and thin. So talagang makikita mo yung support group mo nandito. Parang everything you ask for, hindi lang sa career mo, kundi sa personal life mo, nandito na.
Wow! Serious yun ah! So,
By experience yun.
I think I can second the motion naman talaga yung sinabi ni Papa P na you learn humility in this industry, especially with Star Magic.
Lalo na pag medyo matagal na. Talagang
di ba,
humility
di pala
is
naman yan.
important.
Yes.
Yes. Kaya dito, Papa Dieter na talaga tayo.
Yes!
Parang sinuod mo siyang matagal sa gano'n. Sinasegue mo agad sa akin. But anyway, things that we have learned in Star Magic, marami actually. In spite of the, yung mga difficulties, mga challenges, di ba? Lahat kami naman dumaan doon. Na-realize namin lahat yung potential namin as individual and also as a family. And kung masyadong seryoso yung paglalahad ni PJ, well, I guess, lumalabas sa pagka-senior.
Iba talaga pag senior na.
Itatago yan.
Nangingay ka ba?
The Hanigi of Star Magic.
But what I really, you know what, I can really attribute to Star Magic is yung, kumbaga, yung samahan, yung pamilya. Yung hindi kami, kumbaga, nag-iiwanan kahit na anong mangyari. And we realize na we cannot do it alone. Kaya lagi kami magkakasama. If ever merong mga pagkakataon na yung iba medyo nalilihis, we make sure na we bring them back to the right path. Kasi isa lang naman yung tinatahak namin eh. It's just so happen na may mga nauna tulad namin. And I'm glad that, people realize that also. And we are able to, of course, recognize respect, not only from our colleagues, but also from people from the media. So we thank you for that.
There you go. Did that answer your question?
Scheduling when it comes to doing things that you have to do sa work natin, especially sa ABS na segue sa shooting, segue sa taping, may concert, may commercial. So sumasapaw dito yung moods mo bilang artista ka, bilang sensitive ka. So nandyan yung naiintindihan nila where you're coming from. And it's really important that they know you as a person because at least alam nila kung paano, saan ka ilalagay at kung paano ilalabas, kung paano ipoproject yung image mo. In a way for me, what I learned from them is that hindi lang basta trabaho, they also understand and acknowledge my feelings as an artist because may pinagagalingan din ako. Hindi lang porket manager mo sila, may trabaho dito, pumunta ka dito. Pag late ka sa isang taping, may pinagagalingan ka. They answer for you because they also realize na kunyari, napack up ka ng 2 o'clock the previous night, call time was 9 o'clock, they try to adjust your call time for you because they understand na kailangan mo rin matulog. Yung mga ganung